Okay, now we need to expand and we need to solve for n. So let's go. 1530 is equal to n over 2 into 2 times 34 is 68 plus 6 times n, 6n minus 6. Times this side by 2. Let's multiply this side by 2 to get rid of that 2. What I do on the right, I do on the left. So I multiply the left hand side also by 2. So 2 times 1530 is 3060 is equal to n into 6n plus 68 minus 6 is plus 62. So we got 3060 is equal to n times 6n, 6n squared plus 62n. That is a quadratic equation, guys. This is now a quadratic equation. Why? Because we have a square sign. So in a quadratic equation, we know the right-hand side must always be 0. So now what do we have? 6n squared plus 62n minus 3060 is equal to 0. We now can go into our factorization calculators, right? Go on to solve, go on to mode, solving an equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, and you're going to get your 2n values. If you don't have that calculator, then you're going to be using the quadratic formula. And you guys all know grade 11s and 12s from grade 11, when you can't factorize that or you can't find the factors, you're going to be using minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So factorize that, you're going to get two values, n is equal to or n is equal to something else. Let's go on to our calculator and let's see, let's use the factorization key. We go mode, equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, so that's option number 3. We go 6 plus 62, and the last one, negative 3060. And what do I get? I get n is equal to 18 on the dot, or n is equal to, second solution, negative 85 over 3. So these are our two solutions. Boys and girls, what do we know? Our number of terms. Can you ever have a negative number of terms in a sequence or a series? No. So that one is not valid. And here we go. So n is equal to 18 terms. So now you must say, therefore, 18 terms will sum, because they asked you how many terms will sum. So 18 terms, therefore 18 terms will sum to 1530. And there we go, boys and girls. That is your final answer. You will now get 6 marks for that. Please make sure you take this down, practice on it, make sure that you master it. We're cutting for an ad break. When we get back, we're continuing with series